Hey guys, David Bear here from Bear on Marketing. Welcome to this call, and really excited to talk a little bit about how you can use Facebook effectively to build an audience around a particular subject matter, and how you can identify content that's going to work effectively for that audience and get them to like it, to comment on it, to share it with other people, and spread your message as well as your brand, your product, your service, your name to other people out there who are going to have an interest in what it is that you are sharing. So here we are on Positive Attitude Quotes. It's a Facebook fan page. I haven't dove into what this page is about to really understand what the business is here, how they're monetizing it. But what they are really good at is creating a lot of great content that gets a lot of engagement. And so here's an example. This is a post from September 25th, so just a week ago basically, and it's gotten 16,184 likes, 14,759 shares, and haven't seen the comments. 400 and let's see, oops, I just missed that. It was 434 comments. If you look at the next one, not as much activity. That was a shared post. Let's see, 171 on this one in terms of likes, 654, 118. So there was something about this one up top that really got a great response. And what was it? Well, it's fairly generic. It speaks to the positive attitude quotes. All they wrote was "believe in yourself," and then there's a funny and fun image here. Let's take a look at another one. Actually, this is pinned to the top, so there's probably another reason why it's gotten that much attention, is that it's the first thing that people see when they come to this page. Let's go over to George Takei. Excuse me. I always mispronounce his name, but it is George Takei, and he's got a huge following on social media. Now, he also gets a lot of good attention. So here's something he posted. 369 people liked it, 296 people shared it, and there were 39 comments. Next item here, 4,053 likes, 1,407 shares, and 717 comments. Okay, so he knows what he's doing in terms of putting things into in front of the audience that he's established to really get them interacting and engaging with the content that he's putting on there. Here's another page, Go Fund Yourself, excuse me, which is an app page. So they're selling an app here, and they put up fun content, right? So here's a couple of images. It's kind of funny. 7,500 likes and 609 shares. Let's see what else we got on this page. De Niro and I have no idea who this is, but it says 6,015 shares or likes and 533 shares and 234 comments, and another image. And these are all going, it looks like, back to their website. So when you click on some of these things, they're going to go to their website, and hopefully they're going to be something that makes a lot of sense to the audience who clicks on them, so that they're going to want to take action and maybe download their app or whatever it may be. So the question that a lot of people ask me when they see this content is, that's really cool, but I'm not funny, or I can't make those pictures, or I don't know what is going to go viral or get a lot of response. And frankly, there's no real magic to this, except that there's an art in identifying things that have gone viral and either taking them and repurposing them for your own business, or taking the idea behind them and recreating the content. So letting the original inspire you and then going off and creating something that's your own version of it. it's not that difficult, and if you create a habit of doing this, then you can easily, develop these things for yourself. But it really helps to have a leg up and be able to see into all of the content on the web to see what is actually getting great viral shares. And there's a bunch of tools out there. There's 2 or 3 of them that I like and that I recommend, I endorse, and I use for finding this stuff myself. One of them is something that's sort of been under the radar and quietly out there for probably a year and a half or so. I think I came across it in early 2014 or mid 2014, and it's something that is called Social Kickstart. And I want to show you. Social Kickstart is basically a platform that you can go out and find various sources of great content. And it's ultimately about managing your Facebook pages, creating posts, scheduling them, all from inside their platform. And then it gives you the ability, as you're researching the stuff that's out there, to see what's viral. You can basically go in, take the images or take the content that you're finding out there. You can go in and edit it. You can create your own introduction to an image, let's say, and then share it in front of your own audience. You can find stuff on Pinterest or Instagram, from YouTube, elsewhere on Facebook, and ultimately put yourself in the position of being a go-to source for the kind of content that people want to engage with. And it's a very simple process that's all sort of keyword driven. So you go in and you can do the research. I'm going to run you through some slides here on how this all works, because I think it's pretty freaking spectacular, and I really like how Social Kickstart, which is not the only piece of software that does this. It just does it better than so many other things. It's less clunky. It includes more sources, and it does really cool things. I'm going to show you some really cool stuff that it does coming up here in just a moment. So, let's jump to the next page. This is just a quick screenshot to see, how the layout inside Social Kickstart works. You can run multiple campaigns, and inside each campaign you have the ability to manage multiple Facebook pages that you might include inside that campaign. And so it'll also give you the analytical data, which is really, really helpful, by pulling the data out of your fan page insights all right here, so that you can see, okay, I posted something and it's a cartoon image, and it didn't get very much engagement. But then I posted basically something with a very similar sentiment, but it was a meme or a meme. I never know how that's pronounced. And it got a ton more engagement. So all right, let's do more of what's working and stop doing the things that are not working as well. All right. Now let's jump over to how some of the things you can do in the software. One of them is that you can manage all of your various fan pages and posts and updates right inside this tool. So it doesn't matter if you have 2 fan pages or 200 fan pages that you're managing, you can do it all right inside here, and you can create the content. So you'll go out, you'll find an image, you think it's great, it's gotten a lot of attention from other pages. You can then go in and type in the content, and the image is going to have some text above it. Maybe you'll have a call to action. Maybe you'll have a link that you're putting on there, and schedule it. And you can do this over and over again for all of your various fan pages that you're managing, or even if it's just one fan page, doesn't really matter. It's a great way to go out, source the content that you're looking for, and then be able to share it all in one place and manage it all in one place. Again, as I told you earlier, it syncs with all of the fan page insights so that you'll have the ability to see how many likes, how many shares, what sort of comments you're getting. And then what's really, really cool is that inside the platform, you can even engage with people's comments right in Social Kickstart. So that's kind of cool. Now, as I said, you can schedule the stuff out, so you can, do a whole, month at a time if you want. Probably in just one sitting, you spend 40 to 60 minutes. You sit down and you schedule out your entire month on an entire campaign, which could be one or multiple fan pages. So really, really easy scheduling. And then you can have basically a content queue so that you manage what's going in what order. You can even drag and drop and change the order of the things that you want to do. Now, I told you that there's some really cool features in here. One of them is that you can do Teespring Research. If you don't know what Teespring is, one of the things that this platform and many platforms don't have this feature, but this platform has identified that Teespring, or selling t-shirts, for example, is a really hot side business that a lot of fan page owners have gotten into, because people are always interested in buying t-shirts that identify them as having an interest in something, or maybe the school they went to or the team that they support. And there's great ways to monetize your fan page, even if it's around a cause or whatever. And Teespring is one of several companies that allows you to do this, where you can design a t-shirt or have one designed and then put it up for sale for a limited time. Let's say you want to have a shirt on sale for 10 days. You don't pay anything in advance. You just run a campaign. You have the t-shirt out there for people to see, and they go, yeah, I want that. And you can say, all right, if we get 10 or more orders, then we're going to go ahead and print this t-shirt. So no money out of pocket for you. People put in the orders, and then Teespring pays you a percentage, not a percentage, but a dollar amount based on each shirt that gets ordered after you achieve your minimum order, whatever it is that you set as the minimum order. So really cool way to do this, and there's a full research platform inside of Social Kickstart, which is kind of cool that everything for managing your Facebook fan pages is in one place inside this product. All right, another thing that you can do is create ads right inside of this platform. So you can use stock photos, you can put text on here, and this is all easy to do. Design it, make sure that it is compatible with the Facebook 20% rule, and you don't need technical skills to be able to do this. It's drag and drop simple, and again, just creating ads. And these don't even need to be ads that are run. This just could be a post that you create, and you can do it right inside of the platform. You can also go in and identify and favorite content that you like inside the platform, so that you have the ability to quickly reference things that you want to go back to. You also have advanced post control stuff like retargeting pixels. This is kind of freaking cool. The fact that you can share content, you can have somebody click on a link in a post that you create, and then have the ability to retarget them through Facebook advertising by putting a pixel code right here inside this platform, and then track anybody who clicks on that link is really, really cool, and something that you don't see in a lot of Facebook content management software out there. In fact, this is the only piece of software that I have seen this in. So pretty neat stuff. And then there's one additional thing which I like a lot, which is that you have the ability to share whatever content you're creating, obviously on Facebook, and you can automate all of this on Facebook, but you can do it on LinkedIn and on Twitter as well, and have the ability to share your content across multiple platforms. So that's a quick look at Social Kickstart. It's a platform I like a lot. They're continuing to add all sorts of really cool bells and whistles to it, and ultimately you can get in and manage multiple pages. You can even, when you go in and order this, I think they'll even give you the upgrade option if you decide, hey, this is kind of cool, I can run a business out of doing this for other people. They even offer the option of upgrading to an agency license, which means that you can then run and manage other people's fan pages right from inside this platform. So a pretty cool tool out there. And as I said, if you're looking for ways to manage your Facebook fan pages, get ideas and get great content, you can do the research, find the content that's already going viral off of other platforms like Pinterest, like Instagram, like YouTube, and obviously off of Facebook. See the likes, the shares, the comments, and know that there's something out there that people are really digging. And where was it? Okay, so you can see the likes and shares and comments and say, okay, this is something I want to include in my campaigns, and then just go ahead and schedule it and move on to the next. And you can do this really efficiently, huge time saver, great in terms of being able to do amazing amounts of research and really efficiently managing your Facebook fan page content. So that's a Social Kickstart. I highly recommend that you take a look at this. I'll make sure to leave a link in or above or outside of this video, wherever you may be watching it in the future. And obviously for you guys who clicked over to watch this introduction, there's the link in the button just below this video. So David Bear here from Bear on Marketing. Thanks for checking this out. Go check out Social Kickstart. I think if you're looking for ways to become more effective at being viral and influential with your content on Facebook, this is a really smart way to go.